Hello everyone, it's me Lisa. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can log into CodePen in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to search for CodePen in any of the browsers. I'm using Google Chrome here on my PC, so you can use any other browsers as well. So I typed in CodePen and here is the online code editor. Over here you can see for sign up or login. So if you already have an account, then you can log in using GitHub, using Google, or using Facebook. I would want you to use GitHub because this will help you in your programming life as well, but it does not matter whatever method you use. And to sign up, you can just go to the sign up, and then I want to sign up with email, so I will write my name. I will choose a username. I will write my email and password, and when I submit, I will be automatically logged in, as this is a free account. So you can start coding after you have logged in, or you can, and when you click on start coding, then you'll come up with three other boxes. One is HTML, CSS, and JS. So if you write your code in HTML, CSS, or JS, then the output will come in this blank space over here. So you can also rename your CodePen. And the thing of logging in or signing up is that your progress will be saved and you can always open it for the next time, whereas if you don't sign up, then your progress will not be saved. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's Millie signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.